To update your IPs really quickly, we go into FileZilla, and what we want to do, if I press Command S or Control S, it'll list all your domains, and then you'll have your IP address, your port numbers. And the fastest way to change these in bulk, rather than doing them one at a time, I'll press Cancel, is we're going to export an XML. So I go File, Export, and then I tick Export Site Manager, Export Settings, and then I press OK. And then we get a file name. I'll just call it FileZilla. I'm going to put it on the desktop. Press Save. Minimize FileZilla. We're going to open a notepad or text editor. Click on Notepad. Go to File, Open. We're going to look for our FileZilla XML. Press Open. Now what I'm going to do is go to Edit, Find and Replace, and it's going to bring up this box here. So we can put in our old IP address. So in this case, if I put in 185.199.220.31, and then I can replace it with my new one. So I could put in whatever my new IP address is. And then I'm going to press Replace All. And you should now see that the IP address has now been replaced. You can also do the same with ports. So I can close that. And we go File, Save. Open FileZilla. Do Control S or Command S if you're on a Mac. And then what we need to do is delete all these entries. So start here, go all the way to the bottom, select all of them and press Delete. Are you sure? Press Yes. So now you should have no entries in there. And what we're going to do now is import our edited XML file. Okay, we'll close that and then we go File, Import. And then we want to go FileZilla XML, press Open. And just make sure you've got Site Manager and Settings ticked. Press OK. Import successful. OK. So it says, yeah, the categories have been imported. So now when I do Command S, all my sites have got the new IP address in them. So I can click on them to check. And you see there, it's changed all of them, which is ideal. And that's how you do it. If you found this useful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe.